Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I won't review, I tell you a little bit like this. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have little bit subscriber, I hope soon a lot. Please subscribe to my channel. Sorry for my voice, but I won't speak today not about Jennifer Lopez, about her so talented makeup artist. He's permanent makeup artist Jennifer Lopez. I think he's really king of contouring and glowing. And I was speaking about these beautiful collection brushes. I have all of 10 brushes. I'm already used like maybe 6 months and I love so much. I will explain to you why I like this brush so much. And I won't start it from least my favorite brushes. And we're growing to number 10, my favorite. This brush number 63. It's beautiful brush, it's nice quality, but really I just don't understand how it's work for me this brush. I try, it's nice but it's not perfect. I will prefer classic brush than like this shape. It's just my opinion, but I love this brush, understand me correct. Another brush number 68. It's beautiful, nice quality brush, all brushes perfect. All brushes gluten-free. It's very important. No one animal hurt. For me, it's very important. I love animals so much, and I have my animal. I'm here. My animal always walking somewhere close. When I started recording, he's always come to and listen, and always thinking, "Oh my God, this guy English so bad." I'm born in Ukraine. He's born in United States. I think his English better. Yes, Brody. He's Brody. He's French Bulldog, he's 2 years old, he's a very good boy. I love him so much. I love animals so much. Yes, Brody. He's always close with me when I'm doing recording video. He's such a good boy. Okay, tell guys bye and see you next time. Another brush is brush 67. I love this brush so much too. This very soft brush. It's powder brush. If you want to apply a bronzer, you can apply powder, you can apply foundation, very thin layer. It's gorgeous brush. It's very soft. It's remind me one brush I show you. It's La Mer brush. You can see. But La Mer cost of course more expensive. But to be honest with you, almost exactly soft is exactly the same. But I like this better because La Mer very fast scratches. This zero scratches brush. Good brush. Another brush, it's brush 65. It's contouring brush. It's such a beautiful brush. It's not standard shape. I like if you want cut jawline, it's perfect because Jennifer Lopez, always have very cut jawline. You can do in your cheek. It's perfect cheekbone. It's amazing. It's very nice. You can use with liquid, with powder. It's work both way. Just amazing. Another brush, brush 61. It's remind me brush 65. You can see it's almost the same, but of course it's different size and very good brush. It's perfect for contouring. If you want to put eyeshadow, it's perfect for crease. It's very good brush and multi-purpose brush. And I like this brush because all of the brushes gluten-free. It's very important. You can use with any product. You can use with liquid and with powder. Another brush, I like this brush. It's brush 60. It's lips brush. You can do an eyebrow, lip, but I love this brush. You see how shaped this brush. It's very good. It's easy to apply lipstick for like 2 minutes in perfect shape. Perfect. You can do your eyebrow nice, and you do a wing liner perfect too. Very good brush. Another brush, brush 59. It's brush blade brush. My name is blade brush because it's very thin, sharp. It's perfect. Exactly. I don't know how Scott Barney is doing like exactly this shape like blade. When you do your eyebrow, you can paint in like every stroke all your hair. Amazing. For lips, when you want very sharp like red lipstick. Perfect. I love this brush so much. Every makeup I use this brush. Brush number 64. I just left 2 brushes. 64, it's one of my favorite brushes for all of my collection. I have big collection, but without this brush, I cannot live, really. I show you why. This brush, it's perfect for highlighting. This brush you can do contouring. You can swipe, if you do baking, swipe excess powder. It's brush. You can do anything you want with this brush. This shape and how it's soft. It's my favorite brush. I can't say any more like good of this brush. And last one brush, of course, it's Crease Brush. It's number 62. It's perfect. It's Crease Brush. It's perfect shape. This brush blending from nowhere. It's perfect. I use for eye crease. I use for contouring. You can use precision highlighter. This brush go-to from me. This remind me brush, Marc Jacobs Crease Brush, or not this one, might be Marc Jacobs, this brush, it's Crease Brush, Marc Jacobs, but just shape, this very hard bristles, this one, most softest bristle. It's my favorite brush for all my collection. Okay guys, thank you for watching me. Please subscribe if you still not subscribe, if you like my channel. If you don't like my channel, please subscribe too.